Let's look at example 1.6. What is it? So example 1.6. For A, so you have 3 sets, and you're asked to prove the distributive property. Okay, fine. So you have a set A, which is a set of all x where x satisfies this condition, that is x should be less than or greater than or equal to -3 and less than 4, and x is a real number, which means the elements of the set are what? They are not just -2, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. They are -3, -2.9999, -2.9, -2.8, -2.7, -2.6, and so on and so forth, because these are real numbers. Okay, so these are all numbers that lie on the real line between including -3 and less than 4. Okay, then set B is a set of all x where x is less than 5 and x is a natural number. So what does it mean? If x is a natural number, then set B will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, because natural numbers start from 1. And set C is already given. He is supposed to show that A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay, so let's start doing this. First of all, what is set A? Okay, so example 1.6. Set A is what? Set A, let's represent this using some diagram. Okay, so this is -3, this is 4. This is the real line. Okay, so you have -2.9 here, etc, etc, etc. You have +3.9 here. Okay, you'll have even smaller values, but just to make things better understandable, I'm just representing it this way. Okay, and note that here -3 has a colored dot. Okay, which means this -3 is included, whereas here it is a circle. Okay, it is not a colored dot, it is a circle which is not colored. This means that +4 is not included. Okay, so it's from -3 to +4. What is set B? Set B we saw is 1, 2, 3 and 4, because it was a set of all x where x was less than 5 and x was a natural number. Okay, then what is set C? Set C is -5, -3, -1, 0, 1, 3. Okay, so -5, -3, -1, 0, 1, 3. Just check that. Yes, it's correct. And you're supposed to prove A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay, let's take the left hand side of the equation. First, compute what's inside the bracket. So B union C, what is B union C? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Union C is -5, -3, -1, 0, 1, 3. So the result will be -5, -3, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, right, then A intersection B union C is what? A has all values from -3 including -3 until 4 not including 4. Okay, so all these values will form the intersection set. Okay, so A intersection B union C will be what? -3, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this is your left hand side. What is your right hand side? First, compute this A intersection B. A intersection B will be what? Again, so excluding 4, all the other elements, right? Because 4 is not included. So you will have 1, 2, 3. What is A intersection C? Let's see, A intersection C. A intersection C. So it's from minus 3 to plus 3. Minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1 and 3. Now what will A intersection be? The union of these two results be A intersection C. That is 1, 2, 3 union minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 3. Okay. So what is the answer? You have minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Check these two. Aren't they same? Yes. And hence you've proved. Okay. So the intersection, distributive property with intersection has been proved using this example. Okay. Fine. What is next? Next, oh yeah, so let's move on to exercises. Exercise 1.1 first sum. Okay. Exercise 1.1 first problem is what? If A is a subset of B, okay, then show that A union B is equal to B. Okay, A is a subset of B. So given is what? A is subset of B. Note, you can actually use this and this for subset. Okay, both are one and the same. If A is a subset of B, then prove A union B is equal to B itself. Okay, isn't that what you've been asked to prove? Yes, A union B is B itself, and you have to use Venn diagram for that. So, how would you draw the Venn diagram when you have a set which is a subset of another set? That is question number 1. How would you draw? What does a subset mean? It means all elements. So, considering this, if A is a subset of B, it means all elements in set A are present in B also. Correct, Kanan? So if all elements in set A are present in B also, then we say that A is a subset of B. So how would you draw? You would have, let's say, A. This is A. But A is a subset of B. Correct? So it should entirely lie within B. Correct? So this is how you draw the Venn diagram. Okay. Having drawn this, now let's see. A union B. What is A union B? All elements in A and all elements in B. Right? But here, in this case, you have some of the elements in B which are part of A. Okay. So that forms an intersection basically. But how? You are supposed to find out the union of these two sets. So A il irukra ella element eduthukno, B il irukra ella element eduthukno. Okay, so how would you use that? A il irukra ella element, okay, and B il irukra ella element. So now the entire shaded region, red shaded region, another is circle B, right? That is what it means. So A union B will give you set B itself when A is a subset of B. So you've proved this. Okay. So what is the, okay, let's see. Okay, if A is a subset of B, same thing, then find A intersection B and A set difference B. Okay, A intersection B will be what? This is the common elements between the sets A and B, right? So what are the common elements between the sets A and B? Oh, and A entirely lies within B. So all the elements of A are common to B also, right? Got it? All the elements of A are common to B also. So A intersection B will be the region where you have this blue color, blue and red, okay? But what is that? But what is that? But what is that? A intersection B. There's only set A, right? This entire circle, right? This entire circle is what you've shaded. So A intersection B will be set A. Okay, so that is done. Then what is A set difference B is what they've asked. A set difference B, right? A set difference B. Okay, what is a definition for set difference? You have some set, let's say if it is A set difference B, you subtract the elements of B, okay, from set A, and whatever is remaining in set A will be the answer. Okay, you subtract the elements of B from set A, and whatever remains in set A will be the answer. Now, if you subtract the elements of B from set A, what will remain? Because B, the elements that you are going to subtract from A are common to A and B, right? So A ல இருந்து B யை subtract பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா மிச்சம் A ல எதுவுமே இருக்காது, right? You getting it? So if you are subtracting B from A, let us say, இப்போ வந்து we will use an example for this, okay? Okay, now take, let's say, A as 1, 2 and B as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now find A set difference B. A set difference B is what? 1, 2 set difference, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what did we do? A idhula irukka renduthiliyume irukku, so you strike it off. 2, I mean 1 renduthiliyume irukku, okay, strike it off. 2 renduthiliyume irukka, yes, strike it off. And then whatever is remaining here we take it, right? But what is remaining here? Nothing, right? So it is a null set. Got it? This is the case when A is a subset of B, because 1, 2, both these elements are present in B. A is a subset of B. That is the same case here. Using Venn diagram, we are looking at it. Okay, so this will be a null set. Sorry. Okay, fine. So that is also done. What is the third sum? Third sum. Okay, you have 3 sets and you're supposed to find out something. Okay, so let's identify the set. So P is equal to ABC. Need a new screen. This is third sum, right? P is equal to ABC. Q is equal to GHXY. Q is GHXY and R will be what? AEFS. Okay, so it will be AEF and S. Perfect. Okay, this is done. Now what are you supposed to find? You're supposed to find P set difference R, Q intersection R, P set difference R, Q intersection R. What is the third one? R set difference P intersection Q. R set difference P intersection Q. Okay, so let's take the first one. P set difference R. What is that? A, B, C set difference. R is A, E, F, S. Now see, what is common? Okay, this A is in this set also. You struck it off. Set difference. B irka illa, C irka illa. So what is the answer? B comma C. Done. What is the second one? So as you can see, all these sums are very, very simple, very easy. Basics தெரிஞ்சதுனா இதெல்லாம் ஃபாஸ்டா போடலாம். G, H, X, Y intersection R another A E F S another intersection another edume illa, right? So it's a null set. Okay, done. What is third? R set difference P intersection Q. Okay, so first compute what's in the bracket. P is what? A B C intersection Q is what? G H X and Y. Okay, what is the intersection? Again nothing, so it's a null set. Okay, so R set difference P intersection Q will be what? R is what? R is A E F S. Set difference null set எதுவுமே இல்லை cancel out பண்றதுக்கு. This is almost like it's a 0, right? It's like 0. So if you subtract 0 from anything, you would have the same thing, right? Your result would be the same thing. Okay, so answer is A E F S, which is nothing but set R. Okay, done. What is the next problem? Again, you have 3 sets and you're supposed to find out something. Let's get a new screen. Problem number 4. A is 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. B another. B is 2, 4, 6. 4, 6. C another. C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And என்னெல்லாம் prove பண்ணணும்? என்னெல்லாம் prove பண்ணணும்? You are supposed to prove A union. I mean, not prove. Sorry. We are supposed to find out A union B intersection C. Okay. And A intersection B union C. A set difference C set difference B. Okay, A union B intersection C. A union B intersection C. Second is A intersection B union C. Third is A set difference C set difference B. Correct? C set difference B? Yes. Okay. Now let's take the first one. Compute what's inside the bracket. B is 2, 4, 6. Intersection C is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Intersection another just common 2. Yes, 2 is here in both. 4. Yes, 4 is in both. 6. 6 is also in both. So you have 2, 4 and 6 again. Okay, which is set B again. Then A union B intersection C another. A will be 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 union this 2, 4, 6 will be 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is the answer. Then second, I hope you understand, right? Because we've gone beyond a point where I have to explain whatever I'm doing. Okay, this is for you to check the answers. Okay, okay. Anyway, you can go back a couple of videos and understand the union and intersection, how we are computing all these. Just I mean, if at all you don't understand this. Okay, then compute what's inside the bracket. B union C, second case la. B union C another, just B another 2, 4, 6 union C another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So union of these two will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you get set C. Okay, B union C, you are getting set C. Why? Because B is a subset of C. So B intersection C, you are getting B, and B union C, you are getting C. Just as we saw I think it was the first problem, right? That subset, if A is a subset of B, then prove A union B is B. Then we also subsequently went on to prove in the second sum that A intersection B is A. Okay, fine. That's the same thing here. Then A intersection B union C, another A another 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 intersection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. எதெல்லாம் காமனா இருக்கு? 4 இருக்கா? 4 இருக்கு. 6. Okay, so only 2 elements. 4, 6. Done. This is A intersection B union C. Third another. Third is, okay, again, so bracket குள்ள இருக்கிறது கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் first. C set difference B. C set difference B another. C another first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set difference B 2, 4, 6. Okay, 2 இருக்கா இதுல? Yes, straight off. 3 இருக்கா? இல்ல. 4 இருக்கு. 6 இருக்கு. So all these are struck off. What is remaining இதுல? 1, 3 and 5. Are the 3 elements remaining. So 1, 3, 5. Next, A set difference, C set difference B. Another A another 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set difference 1, 3, 5. 4 illa, 6 illa, 7 illa, 8 illa, 9 illa. Okay, so there is nothing you can subtract from this set. Okay, so what will be remaining? Will be 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. This set itself. Okay, now what do you understand? Now this A and this C set difference B, these two sets are disjoint sets. They don't have any elements in common. Adanal enna agudhu? A set difference that set, you are getting A itself. Okay, that is what we saw, because you are not subtracting anything from A, right? That is common to A and the other set. Adanal you are getting A itself as a result. Okay, done. So this is also done. Fourth sum is done. Fourth sum is done. Then you have the fifth sum. Okay, fifth sum. Let me get a new screen. What is the fifth sum? You have two sets and you've been asked to verify the commutative property of set union. Commutative property of set union another. A union B is equal to B union A. Okay, fine. We have actually done this taking an example. Anyway, let's look at it again. Okay, we've already solved this. A is what? So this is problem 5. Okay, A is A x y r s. Okay, so A x y r s and B is what? B is 1357 minus 10. 1357 minus 10. Commutative property prove pannum. A with union. Okay, A union B equal to B union A. LHS you take A union B. What do you get? A x y r s union B is 1357 minus 10. So if you take the union of these two, you have to basically include all the elements in both these sets without repetition. Okay, wherever you have the intersection, you include those elements only one. But in the case these two are completely disjoint sets. Given the letters of the English alphabet, given the numbers. Okay, so you're going to write all the elements anyway. X R S 1357 minus 10. Then what will be B union A? It's just the order, the order in which you write the set reverses, but your end result is going to be the same. 1357 minus 10. A x y r s. Adhe elements irukka? Adhe elements irukku. The order in which you write does not matter. Okay, in a set, but you have the same elements. Okay, hence it is proved. Done. What is the next question? Next question is to verify the commutative property of set intersection. Okay, set intersection. So LMNO 2 3 4 clear. 6 A is LMNO 2 3 4 7 and B is what? 253 minus 2 MNOP. 253 minus 2 MNOP, and you're supposed to prove the commutative property with intersection A intersection B equal to B intersection A. LHS. LHS is what? A intersection B. Hey, what are the common elements? Okay, take another color. Is L a part of this? No. M irka? M irukku. N irka? N irukku. O irka? Yes, irukku. 2 irka? 2, yes, irukku. 3, yes, irukku. 4 illa. 7 illa. Okay, so this is your A intersection B set. M N O 2 3. Okay, then what is the right hand side? B intersection A. Take a different color again. Now I mean இப்போ ஏல இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் B ல இருக்கான்னு பார்த்தோம், B ல இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் A ல, it's going to be one the same. Okay, you get my point. So it's just the intersection. 2 இருக்கு, 3 இருக்கு, M இருக்கு, N இருக்கு, O இருக்கு, இது ரெண்டு செட்லயுமே. Okay, so again you're going to get M N O 2 3. Hence both these are same and you've proved it. Okay, probably in your examination you might have to prove it using Venn diagram also, which we've already seen in the example problems. Okay, you can use that as your reference, but the question as such asks you only to prove that. Okay, verify it. However, it depends on how you've been asked to answer. Okay, fine. Then okay, so this one, let us take 7, question 7. Question 7 says, again you have 3 sets and you have to verify the associative property with union. Okay, associative property with union. 7th sum. What is A? Set A. Set A says it is all x where x is a prime factor of 42. Prime factor of 42. First of all, let us list down the factors of 42. Okay, 42 are the factors in Allah. 42 are the factors. You have 42 factors. 42. You have 21. Right. You have 42. You have 21. After 21, what is the next factor? 30. 14. 14 3 is a 42. 14 is a factor. Then you don't have 9, you don't have 8, you have 7, you have 6, you have 5, no. Do you have 4? No. Do you have 3? Yes. Do you have 2? Yes. Do you have 1? Yes. But what are the prime factors in this? Prime factors? 1 is not a prime number, okay? Understand that. 2 is a prime factor. 3 is a prime factor. 7 is a prime factor. So, A set has only 3 elements. What are they? 2, 3, 7. These are the prime factors of 42. Okay. B set another. B is a set of all x where x is a natural number, okay, and x is greater than 5 and less than or equal to 12. So it is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, what is set C? C, 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 4, 5, and 6. And you're supposed to prove A union B union C equal to, okay, so A union B union C equal to A union B union C. So LHS, what's inside the bracket? B union C. Just look at it and write, okay, we don't have to write it down here again. 1, okay, so 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then A union B union C will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 7 occurs twice, which means 7 is the intersection of these two sets, intersecting element in these two sets. But you write 7 once, okay, without repetition, because you're taking the union of these two. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what do you see? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A union B union C is that. Right hand side another. Again, what's within the bracket? A union B. A union B will be 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Then A union B union C will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 6 repeats. Okay. But you write it 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Check these two. One and the same. Hence, proved. Okay. Done. Clear this. What do you have next? You have, okay, again 3 sets and verify the associative property of set intersection this time. Okay. What are the sets? Have set P is A, B, C, D, E. Okay. This is 8th sum. Okay. Set P is A, B, C, D, E, and set Q, I guess, right? Yeah, Q is A, E, I, O, U. Now the vowels A, E, I, O, U. R is A, C, E, G. I remember having done something similar, right, in the examples. Okay, fine. So, and you are supposed to verify the associative property with respect to intersection. So, a P intersection Q intersection R equal to P intersection Q intersection R. Okay. So, LHS, what is Q intersection R? First of all, path Q and R lie intersecting elements in A is common, then E is common, nothing else is common. Okay, so A comma E, then P intersection Q intersection R, what is it? Again A and E is common in these two, so A comma E. Okay, RHS, so you take P intersection Q first. P and Q line எல்லாம் common இருக்கு. A இருக்கு, yes. B இல்ல, C இல்ல, D இல்ல, E இருக்கு. Okay. So you get A comma E again. Then P intersection Q intersection R, what do you get? You have A, yes, and E also. Okay. So you get again A comma E, and check these two, one and the same. So you've proved it. Okay, done. Then do we have time left to solve this also? I guess so. Let's see. Okay, for A, 9th sum, 9th set A is what? 5, 10, 15, 20. Multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. B is what? 6, 10, 12, 18, 24. 6, 10, 12, 18, 24. C another. 7, 10, 12, 14, 21, 28. 7, 10, 12, 14, 21, 28. And you're supposed to do what? Verify whether A set difference B set difference C is equal to A set difference B set difference C. Okay, let us see. A set difference B set difference C is equal to A set difference B set difference C. First of all, we learnt something. Okay, if A, B and C, generally, is this true? Generally, is this true? A set difference B, that is, what is this? This is the associative property with respect to set difference. This is not true, right? This is what we saw. But we also saw a remark. Do you remember? We saw a remark. Oh, where is that? Let me take it. We saw a remark. Yeah. See? Set difference is not associative. However, the sets are mutually disjoint. Okay. Then this will be equal. Okay. So, before actually working out, let's see if they are mutually disjoint. Disjoint and common elements here. Okay. Papa. 5 illa 10 irke. 10 moonlume irke. They are not mutually disjoint. So, what should you get here? These two should not be equal. Aduthaan namak answer varano. Idu rendume equal ah irukka koodadhu. Okay. Let's see. LHS. B set difference C. Papame. 10 mattum you can strike off. Right? 15, 20 you cannot strike off. So what is remaining? Oh, sorry. This is B set difference C, right? So 10 you strike. Here you need to compare these two. 10 you strike off. 12 you strike off. 18 you don't strike off. 25 you don't strike off. So B set difference C will be 6, 18, 24. Okay. Then A set difference B set difference C will be what? A lendu paapom. Okay. 5 illa, common illa, 10 illa, 15 illa, 20 illa. So these two, when A and B set difference C are mutually disjoint sets. So anyway, that does not add any value to this problem now as such. So the answer that you get here for LHS is 5, 10, 15, 20, which is again set A. What is right hand side? Calculate A set difference B. A set difference B another 5 irka illa, 10 mattum strike off panniralam, 15, 20 illa. So you would get 5, 15, 20. Now A set difference B set difference C. Another 5 irka idla illa, 15 irka illa, 20 illa. So you are going to get this only. Check these two. Are they same? No. 10 element idla illa. So these two are not equal. And that is what you are supposed to prove. Therefore, A set difference B set difference C is not equal to A set difference B set difference C. Why? Why? Because A, B, C are not mutually disjoint. Okay. So A, B and C are not mutually disjoint. Adanala this is true. Okay. So you've justified your answer also. Then I guess we are running out of time now. So let's do 10th, 11th and a couple of other theory and examples that we have in the next session. Okay. Let's do it next session.